We're moving.
Before we get started, I would like to thank you two wonderful ladies who helped us out. Thank you so much. And now, this is how you fasten the seatbelt. Just place that flat end into the buckle. There you go. To release, lift up on the buckle and wear those seatbelts low and tight across your hips anytime you are seated. We do have 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, overwing window exits, 2 exit doors in the rear, signs overhead, and lights on the floor are going to lead you to all those exits. You'll find a sunshine yellow safety information card. It's in your seat back pocket. Please do take that out and look it over. In the event of a very refreshing water evacuation for each and every one of you, there is a life vest underneath your seat. You're going to take it out only if told to do so. It comes out of the container, out of the pouch. Place that vest over your head. Wrap the black strap around your waist and buckle it in front. Then pull it tight. Once you're outside the aircraft, pull down on that red tab. That'll inflate your vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Our flight attendants are coming by. Please make sure that your cell phones have been turned off. They're not in game or airplane mode. And all of your carry-on items have been properly stowed, leaving the area around your feet perfectly clear. Seat backs, tray tables need to be in their full upright and locked position. And of course, your seat belts fastened. This is a non-smoking flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. And we do have 2 on board, one in the front and one in the back. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with all lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and of course crew member instructions. This includes information on seatbelts and no smoking. Be like Nike, just do it. And last but not least, if needed, 4 yellow oxygen masks dropped from the compartment overhead. To activate your flow of oxygen, pull down on that mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Secure it with the elastic strap and breathe normally. You're going to continue wearing that mask until you're otherwise told to do so by a uniformed crew member. That plastic bag may not fully inflate, but you will be receiving oxygen. If you are traveling with small children or anyone you feel needs special assistance, put your mask on first and then go to assist the others. We thank you so much for your attention and cooperation. This is a short flight, but we will be dimming the cabin lights just a little, so if you think you need an additional reading light, press that button above you.